Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to cook delicious orange chicken. First, let's prepare our chicken. You'll want about 1.5 pounds of boneless, skinless chicken cut into 1-inch pieces. Whisk 1 large egg, 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, and 1 tablespoon of cornstarch, then add the chicken to marinate. Let it sit for at least 15 minutes to absorb all those wonderful flavors. Now, let's get that chicken crispy. In a separate dish, mix 1 cup of cornstarch with 1/2 cup of all-purpose flour. Dredge each chicken piece, ensuring a full coating. Heat about 3 cups of vegetable oil to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Fry the chicken in batches for 3 to 5 minutes until it's beautifully golden brown and cooked through. This step is key for that perfect texture. Next up, the star of the show, our vibrant orange sauce. In a saucepan, combine 1 cup of fresh orange juice, 1/2 cup of sugar, 1/4 cup of rice vinegar, and 2 tablespoons of soy sauce. Add 1 tablespoon of grated ginger, 2 cloves of minced garlic, and 1 teaspoon of orange zest. Simmer, then whisk in a cornstarch slurry. Cook for 2 to 3 minutes until it thickens beautifully. Finally, let's bring it all together. Once your delicious orange sauce is perfectly thickened, add the crispy fried chicken pieces directly into the saucepan. Gently toss the chicken, making sure every single piece is thoroughly coated in that sweet and tangy goodness. Garnish with some fresh green onions and toasted sesame seeds. Serve this amazing orange chicken immediately over steamed white rice for a truly satisfying meal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.